Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious omelet. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and tools. You will need 2 or 3 large eggs, 1 tablespoon of butter, and any fillings you love, like cheese or herbs. Make sure you have a 10-inch nonstick pan, a whisk or fork, and a spatula. Having everything ready and at room temperature ensures a smooth cooking process. Now, let's prepare our egg mixture. Crack 2 or 3 large eggs into a bowl. Add a small pinch of salt and pepper to enhance the flavor. Whisk the eggs vigorously for about 30 seconds until they are slightly frothy and a uniform pale yellow color. Meanwhile, place your 10-inch nonstick pan over medium-low heat and add 1 tablespoon of butter, letting it melt and coat the bottom. It's time to cook. Pour the whisked eggs into the hot, buttered pan, ensuring they spread evenly. Let the edges set for approximately 30 seconds. Then, using your spatula, gently push the cooked egg from the edges towards the center of the pan. As you do this, tilt the pan to allow any uncooked egg to flow underneath. Repeat this process until the omelet is mostly set but still slightly moist on top. Almost done. Now, add your favorite fillings like shredded cheese, chopped ham, or fresh herbs onto 1/2 of the nearly set omelet. Let it cook for another 30 seconds to 1 minute, allowing the fillings to warm through and the cheese to melt slightly. Gently fold the unfilled half of the omelet over the filled half. Carefully slide your perfectly cooked omelet onto a plate and serve immediately. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.